Budgeting for a vacation to Hawaii, while an exciting prospect, requires careful planning and financial discipline due to the higher cost associated with this beautiful destination. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to budget for your Hawaiian getaway. 1. Determine your total budget. Start by determining the total amount you're willing to spend on your Hawaii vacation. Be realistic and consider all potential costs, including flights, accommodation, food, activities, and souvenirs. 2. Set a travel date. Choose your travel dates well in advance. Hawaii's peak tourist season is during the winter months, so traveling during the shoulder season or off-season can help you save on accommodation and flights. 3. Research airfare. Begin your budgeting process by researching flights. Use travel comparison websites to find the best deals. Consider booking your flights well in advance to secure lower fares. 4. Accommodation. Decide where you'll stay. Hawaii offers a range of options from luxury resorts to budget-friendly hotels, vacation rentals, and even hostels. Research different options and book your accommodation early to secure better rates. 5. Transportation. Determine how you'll get around the islands. Renting a car may be necessary for exploring some areas, but public transportation and ride-sharing services are also available. Account for transportation costs in your budget. 6. Daily expenses. Estimate your daily expenses, including meals, activities, and incidental costs. Remember that dining out can be expensive in Hawaii, so consider budget-friendly dining options like food trucks and local markets. 7. Activities and excursions. Make a list of the activities and excursions you want to experience during your trip. Prioritize them based on your interests and budget. Some activities can be quite pricey, so choose wisely. 8. Travel insurance. Consider purchasing travel insurance to protect yourself in case of unexpected events. While this is an additional expense, it can provide peace of mind. 9. Create a detailed itinerary. Plan your daily activities and meals in advance. This can help you stick to your budget by avoiding impulse spending. Look for discounts and package deals for activities. 10. Save money in advance. Start saving money for your Hawaii vacation well before your travel date. Create a dedicated savings account and set up automatic transfers to ensure you have the necessary funds when it's time to book. 11. Monitor your expenses. While on your trip, keep track of your expenses. Use a travel budget app or simply jot down your spending in a notebook. This will help you stay within your budget and make adjustments if needed. 12. Be mindful of souvenirs. Souvenirs can add up quickly, so set a souvenir budget and stick to it. Consider purchasing items that are unique to Hawaii and have sentimental value. 13. Emergency fund. Have an emergency fund set aside for unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or last-minute changes to your itinerary. 14. Consider travel rewards. If you have travel rewards credit cards, consider using them for your flights and accommodations to earn points or cashback that can offset some costs. 15. Stay flexible. Be open to adjusting your plans based on your budget. If you find an excellent deal on an activity or discover a local restaurant that offers affordable and delicious food, take advantage of it. 16. Finalize your budget. Before your trip, review your budget one final time to ensure you've accounted for all expenses and have enough funds set aside. By following these steps and being diligent about your spending, you can budget effectively for your vacation to Hawaii, ensuring that you can enjoy the beauty and experiences the islands have to offer without breaking the bank.